Hello again, it's Phil.
And it's Jeremy.
So it's school holidays still, and we are still talking about problems to do with children and their feet. So we thought now we'd talk about school shoes. So it is halfway through the year, and if your kids' shoes are looking like this, then we should probably have a chat about that. School shoes are always a tricky topic, particularly if you've got a few kids. You're buying a few pairs, and I know I have 3, and every year it's that annual expedition to go and buy some shoes. So there are some tips that we like, both myself and Jeremy would like to give about quality of shoes and the way that those shoes support your kids' feet to prevent them from getting problems. So the first thing that I would say is when you're going to choose school shoes, you want to think about how long that shoe is going to last versus how much it costs. So you might find a $30 or $40 shoe, but you can often find that by Easter they're done, they're cooked, and you'll be going buying a new pair. So if you have to buy 2 to 3 pairs or 40 pairs through the year, you're better off actually spending a bit extra to get a shoe that's going to have a higher durability, particularly in the sole and in the upper. So the problems we see in the sole sometimes is they can have a really thin layer of that higher density rubber in the sole. So you can see this shoe's worn out right at the big toe. So it's about quality of materials in the sole and in the midsole, and also about the quality in the upper as well. So a good quality full grain leather is going to last a lot longer than a laminated, just a fake leather, because that'll blow apart, or a vinyl even. The other thing with a vinyl shoe, to a cheaper quality shoe, is it's not going to breathe, and our kids' feet are going to sweat a lot, which can then cause other issues like tinea and growing nails and that sort of thing. So first thing is what you will pay what you get for. You'll get what you pay for, rather, and you'll higher price is generally going to correlate with higher quality. But the other thing that's important with shoes is what you can't actually see from the outside, which is the construction and the function of the shoe, which Jeremy, I might hand over to you to explain a bit on how to look for how a shoe performs.
Yeah, so here's a shoe. I'll talk about just a few things you guys can look out for when getting a new shoe. Start at the back. So I like to support the foot, especially at the rear foot. So something sort of firm here. See, I can't really crush it. Of course, at the top, your heel has to slip in, so that's okay there, but overall, just here is good.
So it can't be squeezed through here. It's pretty firm.
Yeah. And then sort of as we move along through the midfoot, not too much torsion there.
Yeah. Some shoes you pick up and you can just twist them right around.
Yeah. Kind of bring it out like a towel.
Yeah.
The third one is if I put both hands at the end. This one's a bit old, but it still demonstrates my point. Just enter the big toe joint.
Yeah.
And also when fitting in a shoe, it's a good idea to take the insole out, chuck it on the ground, put your foot over it. If your foot's covering, over sort of
hanging out over the sides.
Hanging out, then probably might not be a good fit.
It's a dead giveaway, isn't it?
Yeah.
And kids' shoes too, they're going to grow through the year, so that little bit of extra room at the start of the year really helps out at the end of the year. So they're the sort of the invisible quality issues of the shoe. And if your children are getting foot pain, you might be able to blame the shoes if you've bought a cheaper quality shoe. So overall, you'll come out on top if you spend a bit more on a shoe that will last a year and give better support. We definitely recommend having shoes fitted for kids. There's some retailers, we know the Athlete's Foot pretty well here in Mackay, and they've always got some good brands like Ascent and Asics and New Balance. There's some good brands to consider, but it's all about finding the right fit for what's going to fit your child's foot the best. Okay, so I reckon that's enough shoe talk. We'll finish up there. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you another time.
See you.
Bye.